Welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I filmed this look using this palette right here. I just got it today in the mail. Please excuse how it looks right now. I just used it, and also this came broken, but I'm going to discuss about that more later on in the end of the video. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and how I feel about this palette, please keep watching. Hi everybody, this is the completed look. I'm also going to switch lights just in case my lighting is too bright. Oh, I just bit my tongue, ouch. 1 second. Okay, so this is also, I want to show you guys with my lights dimmed, not dimmed, but turned away from me, how my makeup would look. So this is how it would look. Yes. Hi guys, I had to do a voiceover because the rest of my audio got damaged. So I'm just going to give you my thoughts on the palette. I like how the shimmers perform. They perform very well. I really love the shimmers. The colors are so beautiful. Also, the mattes perform really well. At first, it didn't. I didn't like how it was applying, but I used the tip that one of the last people who watched my videos, they told me to wet the brush. Normally I do that for my shimmers, so I'll also try that for my mattes, and it worked really well for me. So thanks again for that tip. I really appreciate that. Overall for the palette, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 because I don't have any cons with it because I used the tip that I was given, and I don't have any cons with the palette. The only thing I did not like was that one of the colors came damaged, which is I think it's the dual chrome white that came damaged. So if you guys have any tips on what I can do to, keep it from falling out the pan. Please comment because I really want to use this shade. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see any more of my upcoming reviews on Shop Hush products. Please subscribe and hit the bell and you'll be notified when I upload. Thanks guys.